So good about the class. And you all have 10 seconds to do that. Okay, so I'm seeing the responses. Okay, so all of you are ready for the class. Okay. So in last class, we have discussed about what is fraction. Okay. And where we use fraction in our day-to-day life. So let's revise what is fraction in just 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So in last class, we discussed that a part of a group or a region is known as fraction. Please see on your screen what is fraction. Like we have discussed, let's we have a cake and we have someone's birthday party. Okay, Ansh from our class have birthday party. He invited 4 of his friends. Okay, so now he need to cut his cake in 4 pieces. So let's cut this cake in 4 pieces. So now we divide this cake in 4 equal parts. And we distribute these 4 equal parts with our 4 friends. Okay, so what we did here, we have one whole cake which we distributed with our 4 friends. So all our 4 friends got one equal part of cake. Okay, and we also learned that we write fraction in the form of numerator and denominator. So let's say if one of our friend got one part, it means that one part is going to be where? As numerator. So we write 1 as numerator, and how many parts we have? 4 parts. So 4 becomes our denominator. So this is what we learn in our last class. What is fraction, why fraction, where do we use this fraction in our day-to-day life? So today we are going to learn about different types of fraction. Okay, so the first type of fraction is known as proper fraction. Okay, so in proper fraction, there is one thing which we need to care about when we are seeing, writing, or reading a fraction. So what is proper fraction? Let's say we have 8 equal parts of a cake. Okay, so where we write 8 equal parts of a cake as a denominator. Sorry. And 4 parts we eat. So the fraction is written as 4 by 8. Okay. When a fraction have numerator less than denominator, then this type of fraction is called as proper fraction. Okay, so when a numerator is less than denominator, then this type of fraction is called as proper fraction. If we divide this fraction, we always get result which is less than 1. Okay, so there is one more thing. A proper fraction have value always less than 1. Okay, now what you have to do is write 10 proper fraction in your notebook, and we will check one by one what are those fractions. Thank you so much for showing me. You all have written exactly correct what is proper fraction. Okay, now let's move to the next type of fraction that is called as improper fraction. Okay, what is improper fraction? Let's say we have one cake. We divided this cake into 4 parts because our 4 friends are coming for our birthday party. Okay, but what happened? One of our friend brings 2 more friends. So now we have six people who are going to celebrate our birthday party. Okay, so if this particular scenario happens, we bring one more cake. Okay, so we again brought our new cake, which is same in size, same in shape, same in weight. So now we also make 4 part of it. Now we have 6 people. What we do? We distribute 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to our 4 friends. Now we have 2 people left. We distribute 5 and 6. These 2 more pieces to remaining 2 persons or people. So how many equal parts we have? 6. And how many cakes we have? 2. But what we are doing here? We are only making 4 parts of a single cake of same size, same weight, same color, same design. Okay. So when we have 2 similar items which will be divided into more than its prescribed group or region, then it is called as improper fraction. In simple words, if we have numerator greater than our denominator, then this type of fraction is called as improper fraction. Now what you all have to do is write 10 improper fraction in your copy. Okay, so you all have written, all of you have written exactly what improper fraction is. So clap for yourself, pat on your back. Thank you so much. Now let's move towards a third form of fraction known as mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is nothing. It is operation on improper fraction. How? Let's see the operation, then we will understand what is mixed fraction. Let's say we have a fraction 14 by 3. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide 14 with 3. So let's divide 14 with 3. Here 3 4 times 12 minus 3. Here we get 3 as a remainder, 4 as a quotient, and 3 as a divisor. So sorry, here at above the divisor, what we write? Remainder. And in left side of or in center of the fraction, we write quotient. Okay, so what is the quotient here? 4. What is the divisor here? 3. And what is the remainder here? 3. So this is what mixed fraction. Now let's see if our division is correct or not. So multiply this 3 into 4. 3 4 times 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So here we have we find that our division is not right. Why? Because when we subtract 12 from 14, we get 2 as a remainder. You all need to stay that. It shows you all are not focused. So this is what mixed fraction. Okay. Now please, I'm going to give you some questions. Solve that question. Try to find a mixed fraction. Okay. I'm going to give you some 10 improper fraction. Convert that improper fraction in mixed fraction. Okay. Okay, so let's solve these 7 questions, and after that we will continue our class. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. In next class, we will learn new things, new types of fractions, and how we are going to use this fraction in our senior classes. What are the use of this fraction for our senior classes? How we apply these fractions, how we are going to use these types of fraction as in our operations of fraction, how we are going to multiply, divide, add, subtract the fraction. We will learn tomorrow in our next class. Okay. Thank you so much.